Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to safely download Adobe Lightroom for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop using the official 7-day trial from Adobe. It's the easiest and most secure way to try out all of Lightroom's powerful editing tools without paying upfront. Start by heading to the link in the description. That will take you directly to Adobe's official Lightroom free trial page. From there, you can kick off your 7-day trial with full access to all the features, presets, and cloud sync options included in the Lightroom plan. There's also an optional box to try Adobe Stock. If you check that, you'll get access to 10 premium assets for free, including high-quality images and templates. And even if you cancel before the trial ends, you can keep them. You'll need to sign in with your Adobe account, or quickly create one if you haven't already. Adobe will ask for a payment method, but don't stress. You won't be charged as long as you cancel before your trial ends. I recommend setting a calendar reminder, just in case, but rest assured, it's a straightforward process. Once your account is set up, Adobe will prompt you to install the Creative Cloud desktop app. After you've got that running, search for Lightroom inside the app and hit Install. Depending on your connection, it may take a few minutes, but you're good to go after that. Now you've got full access to Adobe Lightroom, ready to start editing photos like a pro, completely free for a week. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials and free software guides. Do you have any questions? Please drop them in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to reply. See you in the next one. Happy editing!